bedtime. Quote reading with meaningful insights. Let's begin. A quote for young minds. We have your worse
is
not measured by their words. Again,
your worth is not measured by their words.
your turn. Great job!
The quotation provides comfort to individuals dealing with bullying, stressing that their value and self-esteem are not determined by the negative actions or words of others. It encourages individuals to recognize their intrinsic worth and stand firm against bullying that may impact their self-image.